Hello everyone, I am Sheikh Mayab Sauddin and you are watching my YouTube channel. Every day a lot of unwanted SMS come to our phone and most of them are irritating. So what to do? Just delete them. But sometimes when deleting the unnecessary messages from our phone, we delete some important one which is really annoying. Today I am going to show you how you can restore your deleted SMS easily without any hassle. Now I'm in my phone to show you how you can do that. So first of all, you need to go to Play Store and search for application which is called Super Backup and Restore at the top application. So you need to just install it. I have already installed it. So let me show you. There is the application Super Backup. So whenever you will open this application, it will show this interface. So today I am gonna show you how you can restore the SMS. So you have to go to the SMS option and you have to back up all the SMS you have. So you can see I have 44 SMS, so you have to back up it. You can rename the file as well. So I'm gonna rename it as backup SMS. Okay, you can see it did back up my SMS. Now if I go to my SMS section and try to delete any SMS, suppose I am deleting this 4th news update SMS, I am gonna delete it. Okay, you see I deleted the SMS. So what you need to do is to go to this application Super Backup and have to tap on the restore button, then okay. Now it will ask permission that if you want to use this application as a messaging app, means default app, so you have to press yes. Now you need to go to the folder of the backup file, click, and you see it did restore. Now if you go to the option message option, you can see news update is again available. So you did restore the deleted SMS. So that's how you can restore deleted messages in your Android phone. That's for all today. So meet you in another video.